on our way to the property right now, and already we've received a message in a video that the house is down. We have a fireplace and a patio, cement slab there, and now he's pulling stumps. So we're excited about getting there. We've got quite a ways to go yet, and I'm excited about getting there and seeing the property and spending some time on it and just enjoying the fresh new environment. So we'll see what's ahead of us.
Just going in.
Well, we're here on the property, and can we say, wow, there's the house. There's the house. No, wait, there's no house there. Pretty incredible. We got grass growing up and stuff, but and beyond here, he's got the pipe dug up. The ditch is ready for a new pipe to be put in. And maybe we'll just have him do that too. I don't know. We'll talk. The place is filled in. Still some final work. We have drain pipe coming, and that's on the way. So he's in the meantime kind of leveling up the ground where the house used to be. It's interesting because now as we look at it from here, the fireplace looks like the center of the property, although we know that it goes down that way too, past that big pine on the right hand side. We got our pipe. It's in and it's getting buried. Getting buried. There's the end of it right there. Come over here and see where it starts. Get a view of what's going on down the line. He's leaving a hole up here to catch all this. We're going to sort this out and figure out what we need to do for this. But we got to start on it. And it's in the process. He's running back and forth to fill it in and pack it down. We did decide to take the pad out over here because it was all busted up pretty good. So we're gonna have to put in like a pavilion on posts or something and deal with that. Jenni and the dogs. Are right there. It's pretty crazy. Alright, PennDOT came in and reset that pipe for us. And then left everything else, and there was a big hole here. Now, Nero Enterprise later came and dug the ditch, and we put this, you can see a little bit there, the black plastic corrugated pipe. That's a 12-inch pipe that goes all the way down to the end of the property there, just to the right of that cage a little bit, so that it drains out. It's 100 feet of pipe. But the pipe was sticking up so much that the water was filling in and backflowing and filling up over to here, and then making everything soggy, as you can see, puddles there and beyond, making it all wet. So we drained this back down into here. We set some stones and some old pipe and pushed that down so it is draining nicely. And then we began to shore up the walls with bricks and blocks of cement and what have you, stones. And there we have it. Some more to do right there in the middle to fill in, and then to fill the bottom just a little bit with some flat stone and stuff, but that's really helping the drainage already. We're sitting up at the camper having a little mid-morning snack and just watching the smoke roll out of the top of our fireplace down there. Wait till we put up the pavilion.